What's up, everyone? Donruss Choice 4-box PYC. Number 173. Good luck. They didn't have next days this year or dragons, so I don't see spots for them. Good luck to all these collectors. One more of these in the store for today. I'd save a little tomorrow for Jags. Jagsy, they call them. Ant-Man, Kane, Mello, Halliburton. They have veteran autos this year. It's not just all rookies. I know I've hit plenty of Steph autos out of this. It's interesting. It's really interesting. About I used to remember the order. I think after Advia is usually, I don't know, we'll see. Toppin maybe? Onyeka, Riller, Ellaby, Mannion. First auto. It's supposed to be numbered, but it's not. Jason Richardson goes for the base auto. We have rookie auto. It's an Obi Toppin rookie auto for the base. And we have a nice blue non-auto. Jason Tatum. He's a tick. Then we have a red. Derek Jones Jr. Red non-auto. Sharp spot. And then a red non-auto of Damian Lillard. Advia, Onyeka, Riller, Ellaby. First auto is a rookie auto of McDaniels by his right arm. You can't see it, but it goes to the base anyway. Then we have rookie auto. It's a red auto of Peyton Pritchard. Nice piece of each stroke. Then we got blue of Lou, red, Horford, and a red of Love. Halfway point, see something. My wife is here! Two left.
I'll be right back.
Two left. Come on, let's see something. Maxey with an auto to 49 of Al Horford. Then we have Sadiq Bey. Base auto. Red of Washington, blue of Simmons, red of Danny Green. Last box. Some type of gold, something in there. Gold or black gold's in this. Richard, rookie auto. Oh, it's a black gold auto, but it's CJ Ellaby. CJ Ellaby. Then we have a red auto. Nice. Cole Anthony. Picking up some steam. Then we have Duncan Robinson red. The gold is Tristan Thompson. Gold non-auto. Karam's a hitter. Just kidding. Herder red. Not the greatest. Seen better. Next one's hitting. We got one more. That is the break.